ladies, I'm back with another review, and what I want to show you is my amazing glitter glow up stick which I got from Beauty in the City. I'll give you a close-up of what it looks like. So this is a great stick which is ideal for highlighting your brow bone, your cheekbone, or also your eyelid as well. So it's a fantastic multi-use product. If you're somebody like me that doesn't like to have too many different pieces of makeup as a part of a collection, this is ideal for you because it serves so many different purposes and it takes up minimal amount of space. So I'll show you how easy it is to remove. There's the products all in one piece, and you just simply screw up as much as you need. I always work with just a little amount because there's no point of wasting it. What I'll then do is get the back of my hand and simply apply some there and just have a close-up look of that beautiful color. Look how luminous it looks just on the back of my hand. So I'll do that, pop the lid on, and then I will rub my finger in it. So I'm going to apply some to my brow bone here, and all I'm doing is just dabbing it right underneath my eyebrows. Just grab a little bit more, just literally dabbing it along there, and then I'm going to grab a little bit more and dab along. Oh, that's really pretty. Along that line, so you can see I put in a little bit there as well. I like it, and I love to obviously as the day goes by your makeup changes, so it's a great product to like top up throughout the day. So you can see just how pretty that is, and I'll also show you obviously along for an eyeshadow. Just simply take it, and I'm dabbing as well. Really, oh look at that, that's gorgeous, that's really pretty. Dab it, I love that, and same with this eye. Dab again, and then finally I'll show you how I do it on my cheekbones. So yeah, once again, always rubbing it onto the hand, taking a little bit, rubbing both fingers together and dabbing it along the cheek area. And because I'm extra, I always take a little bit and put it along my nose as well. So really pretty look. As you can see, very easy and simple to apply, minimal mess, and the great thing is you don't need any additional product in order to apply this. You simply need your glitter glow up stick and your fingers, and you're good to go. So thank you ladies, make sure you check out Beauty in the City website if you would like to grab yours today.